I just want to create a quick video on how to open a NetDocuments document within Word Online. The first thing that you'll need to do is make sure that your cabinet level settings allow you to use an online editor like Word. This is the default, so you shouldn't need to make any changes there. The next thing you'll need to check on is to use the right-click menu. So when I right-click on this document, I can see my Open In option. If you don't see this in yours, just simply go to the bottom and say Customize Menu. You'll see Open on the left-hand side. Just drag it to the right and say OK. Next time you right-click, you'll see Open In. You can then click here on the Microsoft Word Online option. It will then open in Word Online. I can then make edits to this document and make any changes that I like. There's no need to do any specific saving. It will save as you work. You do have some additional options here in the upper right hand corner. I can click to share this document with someone. If I click here and then share, this is going to create a new email for me for this person to open this document online. I can then have multiple people in the same document at the same time, opening and editing and using this document. When I'm done, I can simply close this document, and then these changes are saved. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. This is Steve with SmartLaw. I help law firms work smarter.